Alright, using ComfyUI and Seedance 2.0 as render engine for your 3D work. I'm gonna explain how to do this. Let's go. This process takes 3 steps. Step 1 is creating your reference video that you want to get rendered with Seedance. Step 2, pick the first frame of your video and create the style frame for your render. Step 3, render with Seedance in ComfyUI. I'm gonna walk you through this process and place markers, so you can skip a step if you just want to see the Seedance ComfyUI part. But first, let's talk about why I render using ComfyUI with Seedance. You can see the list of advantages. One I like the most is that you are not tied up to any subscription. But in ComfyUI, you can just pay for your iterations. It's fast. So if you need to get a render out for your client today, it's done. No stress. Alright, enough said. Let's get to the first part. First, we're gonna open our render engine of choice to make our reference 3D video that we want to render. I use Cinema 4D, but can be Blender, Unreal, Maya, whatever you want, as long as you can get a render out without textures in gray with some department in it. So Seedance can read the information. In C4D, I've created a simple material with luminance and ambient occlusion. You can copy my settings if you want to follow along. In the color section, I've used Fresnel texture. Also follow my gradient for the same results. After that, we open the render settings. The only thing here that you need to change is that you apply material override and drag in the material we've just created. You select where to save your video and make sure your frame rate is set to 24. This is important, because Seedance can only render at 24 frames. As for now, also make sure the size is 1920 x 1080. After that, press render. I've already rendered mine. Step 2. Creating a reference shot. I use the VLC player. Go to the first frame and make a snapshot. After that, go to your AI image creation tool of choice. I've used Nano Banana Pro 2. It's important that it's an exact match of the first frame, so make sure you tell the prompt to get that right. To ensure the frame is almost 100% matching with the size and scale. I go to Photoshop. Really take your time to get this matching. After this, the fun part can begin. Step 3. Open ComfyUI. If you download my files, you get a package with a PDF guide and text document with example prompts in it. Also, my C4D files, and of course the Seedance 2.0 workflow. Just drag it into ComfyUI on an empty field. I've got the workflow now available on Gumroad with a 50% discount code at the end of the video. So be sure to grab the workflow now, because the discount is only till the end of the month. Alright. You can put in 3 reference images and 1 environment ref. I recommend you only use 1 as I got this set up for you. And it seems to give me the best result. If you want another reference image, just attach the lines to get it working. But I always just use 1. After that, we give the reference gray render video. It needs to be entered 2 times for Seedance to get the full information. Sometimes the video can be a little big, but don't be scared to move things around. Alright, now it's very important to give Seedance the right prompt and settings. Seedance doesn't like big prompts. And you need to tell it very carefully that it needs to take the motion of the video and the style of image 1. Here you see the prompt I've provided to make this render. You see, I don't tell it to do any motion part as it needs to take it from the ref video. Make sure you maintain the length of your video for the output. Also, if this is your first try, make a short video of 3 or 5 seconds, just to try it out. As the longer the video, the more expensive it is. Double check if watermark is turned off. Audio I would also not recommend as it almost doubles the cost of a render. Maintain the rest of the settings. I render in 720 since there are a lot of good free upscale options in ComfyUI. I'll provide 2 in my Gumroad package if you buy my workflow. When you are all set, press the play button and wait for the result. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the settings of your video. I've got a 10-second long video that costs 617 credits. That's roughly 2-3 euros. So 5 is about half. I will now show how easy it is to add credits to your wallet. For me, I need to press on my name, but for new users, you need to go to the gear icon in the left bottom corner. After that, you can select the amount of credits you like to add. For $5, you can do almost 2 10-second long videos. You select the payment option you want. After your payment is done, you can see the credits added to your wallet and start rendering with Seedance 2.0. Before you go, I've got a little bonus for you because you've watched the video all the way to the end. Here's a special discount code. Use it at checkout to get 50% off the complete workflow. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you're into ComfyUI, AI, Unreal Engine, and cinematic workflows like this, make sure to subscribe because I've got a lot more tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.